to all. I am Dr.C.Senthilkumar, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. I am happy to deliver this video lecture on the engineering graphics application and its case study. So here we are seeing the components are made by my volunteers. This is the hexagonal prism which was made by this model is made by my volunteers, the previous year batch student, and this is the pyramid made by my volunteer having the pentagonal pyramid. That is the code also made by my volunteer. So these are the mechanical components. So this is about the product, engineering graphics knowledge application made product development. So this is the thermosiphon having the cylindrical shape and again cylindrical shape, welded cylindrical shape and different geometrical shape. These are made by the drawing knowledge, and this one is the heat pipe, looped heat pipe. This is also made by the applying the engineering knowledge. This product also made by applying the engineering knowledge which you have studied in your engineering graphics class. So in this case study video, I request my volunteers to deliberate about the case study possibility of making a new product or knowledge gained for making this product. So I expect one by one volunteers to deliberate about the case study on engineering graphics.
Myself Ashmi from BTech AML department. Today I am going to present a case study on the topic Importance of Engineering Graphics in Product Design. So engineering graphics is one of the basic subjects for the first year students or engineering. So through this engineering graphics, the designs and knowledges, without these designs and knowledges, the product cannot be made. So it is very useful to make. This case study explains that how it helpful to build a product and their designs. Thank you.
I'm Menika from AML department. Problem identification. In industry, some products are manufactured incorrectly due to the wrong dimensions and improper drawings. The common problems are misunderstanding between the workers and managers, assembly errors, difficulty in identification of the product designs, and
Application.
thank you.
Myself, Meghini from AIML department. Role of engineering graphics. Engineering graphics helps solve this problem by providing accurate technical drawings, standard dimensions, clear top, front and side view, better
Shapes, that is geometrical application.
geometrical applications. Using orthographic projections and isometric drawings, engineer can easily explain their idea.
So let's start new project here. Okay. Next is one step.
I am Swati from Department of AML. Today I am going to explain real life example on product design. So while we manufacture a machinery component like bolt or bracket, the engineers do design engineering graphics which helps in production. So workers do follow that engineering drawing before manufacturing. So it helps to maintain a proper shape and size. So without those, the product may not fit properly. Thank you.
Next one letter.
I'm Rahul, first year BTech AIML department. I am going to speak about the benefits of engineering graphics. The benefits of engineering graphics are improved communication, better manufacturing, reduced errors, and better product quality, time saving in production. Thank you.
Next one letter.
I am Dr.C. from AML BTech department. My topic is about brainstorm in engineering graphics. An engineering company needs basic design of bicycle frame to check it, and then they create 2D and 3D designs drawing and to check the drawings are accurate or not, and then the dimensional and the projectional drawings are used to avoid the manufacturing error, and then the drawings are used to reduce manufacturing waste and the importance of structure, improve the structure, and the case studies show that the importance of engineering drawing and project uh, product design. Thank you.
Myself, Punit, I am from AML department where I talk about the conclusion of engineering graphics. Engineering graphics is an essential subject for the engineering students and engineers. It helps to convert the idea into a real product, and this case study show the engineering drawing is the design accurate and reduce the manufacturing problem. Thank you.
So, with this engineering graphics knowledge, you all studied about the concept of orthographic, isometric, building drawing, and points and lines and all the concept. So, this is a cylinder. You can take that material. This cylinder material made with the knowledge of cylinder drawing knowledge. Based on the drawing knowledge, you draw a manual drawing. That manual drawing is converted into graphics knowledge using a computer. After drawing in a computer, you take a printout, you give that drawing to the work floor or workshop. There they make this cylindrical shape geometry. Likewise, that square duct, this also made with the knowledge of engineering drawing, engineering graphics. So this also made, that's drawn and the plate and this all materials made with the knowledge of engineering graphics knowledge only. So the difference between manual drawing and graphics knowledge is, so using a computer to draw a diagram is a graphic engineering graphics. So you drawing a diagram manual means that is a manual drawing. So manually you cannot make a multiple diagram in a minute, but using a computer you can make a copy of the same diagram with multiple diagrams. So with this I conclude this case study on engineering graphics. Thanks my all volunteers. Thank you very much.